दोस्तों, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं मर्सिडीज-बेंज के सबसे अफोर्डेबल और युवाओं को टारगेट करने वाले कार ए क्लास की। क्या यह सेडान हैचबैक आपके 40 लाख की कीमत वैल्यू देती है? चलिए जानते हैं। ये BMW 1 सीरीज या Audi A3 से ज्यादा स्टाइलिश लगती है, लेकिन GLA SUV से छोटी है। Visual show MBUX infotainment system 10.25 inch dual screen Hey Mercedes voice command show ambient lighting 64 colors artificial leather seats and sunroof show rear seat space and 370 liter boot space show plastic build quality. The Mercedes A-Class 2023 offers impressive engine options. For petrol, there's the A200 with 163 horsepower. If you prefer diesel, the A220D delivers 190 horsepower. Both come with a 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. You can switch between sport and eco modes, and the suspension adapts to give you a smooth ride. Safety is paramount in the A-Class. It comes equipped with 7 airbags, ABS, adaptive braking, and lane keeping assist. For technology, you get a 360-degree camera, parking assist, and adaptive high beam to ensure a secure and convenient driving experience. The price range for the Mercedes A-Class 2023 is between 42 lakh and 55 lakh rupees, ex-showroom. It offers different variants including the A200 for petrol, the A220D for diesel, and the high-performance AMG line. When it comes to competition, you have the BMW 1 Series priced at 45 lakh rupees and the Audi A3 at 40 lakh rupees.